Your life doesn't change because you want it to. Most people want more money, more clarity, more confidence. But wanting isn't the problem. The problem is waking up every day with the same thoughts, reacting the same way, and expecting something different to happen. That's where the law of attraction actually begins. Part 1. What is the law of attraction? Let me start with a quote. You don't attract what you want, you attract what you believe you deserve. The law of attraction is about your internal world shaping your external life. Think about it. If you believe things never work out for you, you hesitate. You overthink simple decisions. You play it safe, not because you want to, but because it feels familiar. That belief quietly influences how you speak, how you move, and what you allow yourself to go after. But when you believe opportunities are available to you, something shifts. You speak up in rooms you would have stayed silent in before. You take chances you once talked yourself out of. You show up differently, not louder, but more certain. That belief alone changes your actions, and actions shape outcomes. This isn't about sitting in your room visualizing success and waiting for life to change. It's about the small, almost invisible decisions you make every day. How you respond to setbacks, what you tolerate, and how seriously you take yourself. Your self-image decides what feels possible, and what feels possible determines what you actually pursue. That's attraction, not magic, not wishful thinking. Part 2. What the law of attraction does to you. As within, so without. When your mindset shifts, your experience of life starts to shift with it. You stop feeling like you're behind. You stop panicking about timelines. You stop comparing your progress to everyone else's. Not because life is perfect, but because you trust yourself to handle it. You become calmer under pressure, more intentional with your time, less reactive to distractions and negativity. People respond differently to you. Conversations change. Opportunities feel more natural. Not because the world changed overnight, but because you did. And that creates momentum. Quiet, steady momentum. Part 3. Why the law of attraction is essential. Your reality reflects your dominant state. Most people wait for proof before they change. They say, once things get better, I'll believe. But it works the other way around. Belief comes first, then behavior, then results. If you constantly feel like you're lacking, you'll act from fear. If you feel capable and grounded, you'll act from clarity. The law of attraction teaches responsibility, not guilt. It shows you that if something keeps repeating in your life, there's something internal that needs attention. And once you change that, life responds. Part 4. How to use the law of attraction in real life. And there is a saying that goes by, clarity creates confidence. Start with awareness. Notice your most repeated thoughts, especially when things don't go your way. Then ask a simple question. How would I act if I trusted myself more? You don't need to pretend. You don't need to fake confidence. Just act slightly differently. Speak more honestly. Set clearer boundaries. Take one action you've been avoiding. Alignment isn't dramatic, it's practical. When your thoughts, emotions, and actions point in the same direction, things begin to move. Not instantly, but consistently. And remember, attraction isn't about asking. It's about becoming the person you believe deserves these things and allowing life to respond to that alignment.